Now you know there is an answer and feel the surge of energy to go looking for it, we come to the fourth sub-law to mastering the law of attraction, seeking. It is obvious at the moment that however much you need money, the way to get it is not to go out and look for a job, nor is it to notice a clever little niche in the market and design a labour-saving device, nor is it to start a band and try and reach massive popularity. The answer should be sought inside yourself. Take some quiet moments to reflect on what you actually want, what you are naturally good at, and what you really care about. Reaching clarity about these three creates a powerful concoction of intention and ability. It is the only reliable way to establish a productive way forwards. Many people find they cannot listen to themselves and only hear the ideas indoctrinated by their parents, or church, or the media. This is understandable, but it is still no way to live. So if you would like your own mind back and to expel the effects of the past or a troubled childhood, keep clearing as you go along.